Have you ever looked at a jar of nutmeg in your spice rack and wondered, is this spice just for holiday baking, or can I use it for more? If you're new to the world of cooking or just trying to expand your spice cabinet, you might be thinking, is nutmeg a good place for me to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of this wonderfully warm and aromatic spice to answer a key question: is nutmeg good for beginners? First off, let's talk about what nutmeg actually is. It's the seed of the nutmeg tree, a tropical evergreen native to Indonesia. The spice we use in cooking is ground from these seeds, and it has a unique flavor profile that's both sweet and slightly savory, with hints of pine and clove. One of the reasons nutmeg is great for beginners is its versatility. You might associate it with classics like pumpkin pie or eggnog, but its uses go far beyond just sweets. A small pinch can elevate a creamy bechamel sauce, add depth to a simple mashed potato dish, or even bring a subtle warmth to roasted vegetables like cauliflower or Brussels sprouts. The key is to start with a very small amount. Nutmeg is a potent spice, and a little goes a long way. Another reason it's so beginner-friendly is that it pairs well with so many other common ingredients. Think about how it complements dairy, like in a creamy Alfredo or a custardy rice pudding. It also works beautifully with other warm spices like cinnamon and ginger, making it a foundational component for many spice blends. And don't forget coffee. A tiny sprinkle of fresh nutmeg on your morning brew can transform it into a cozy, gourmet experience. So, how do you get started? My advice is to skip the pre-ground stuff and go for whole nutmeg. You can find it in the spice aisle of most grocery stores. Grating your own with a microplane or a small grater releases a much more potent and fresh aroma, and it's a simple technique that will instantly elevate your dishes. Just grate a little bit at a time directly into your food towards the end of the cooking process to preserve its flavor. So, to answer the question, yes, nutmeg is absolutely a fantastic spice for beginners. Its versatility and ability to add a layer of warmth and complexity to both sweet and savory dishes make it a perfect first step into the world of spices. It's a simple ingredient that can make a big impact, building your confidence in the kitchen one delicious dish at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.